We're coming back from New Banana HighLand. These are some of our clients. Okay. This is our surveyor. That's surveyor. Well done, sir. Okay. This is Mr. Emmanuel behind, and Mr. Yomi, and the other person. What's the name again, sir? Pastor La is behind. So we are just coming back. I'm so happy and excited. You know why? Because they love what they saw. The land is so connected, the connection, the mapped out, everything is so well organized, and it's a good investment even when the land is green, because that's the best time to key into real estate, because in a short while from now you're going to be making good money from it. Okay, this is where we entered from.
Between two community, Alessa and Aleto.
Alessa and Aleto. Yes. See? So quickly now call us. The number is 090342965119, and our office is located at number 181 Peter Otterleaf Road, opposite Chicken Republic. So let me use this opportunity to say thank you and welcome Mr. Emmanuel and Mr. Yomi. Thank you so much. Thank you. As we seal this deal, everybody will be happy at the end of the day. All right.